I'm so done.
We have talked about movie goofs a few times on this channel with various exceptions like actors and actresses forgetting their lines or comedian actors making the spoof funnier than the final cut or stunt stars messing up.
Did I do that? I can't actually do it. Wait, I'll do it.
From all the films that have been released over the years, we have a lot more to cover.
I just have to giggle. Oh, I'm sorry.
I think we better cut, Jake.
Today we thought we could cover the times that not only actors messed up their lines, but got a little bit tongue-tied at the same time.
Keep your mouth shut. If I want you to talk, I will run my arm up your ass and work your mouth. You got that? And if I see this picture on your MySpace page, when they Google ass whooping, it's gonna be me. Tuck and roll when you hit.
Oops.
But before we get into more of these moments, today's trivia question. Amanda Bynes has had her fair share in films back in the day. What was her first film role? Leave your guesses in the comments down below and stick around till the end of the video to find out if your answer was correct.
1-800. One more time. And then I'm on. Go back. And the guy team. Mom, I would look like a huge prostitute. I've done. Chuck! I mean.
You're dead.
Yeah, how old are you? 40?
If you have ever stepped foot into the comedy world, which most of us more or less haven't, those who have know that it is not easy.
Hey, Ma.
Oh, God. All right, after this take. That's it. All right. Good. Classic.
Loki, take it away.
Even the acting world, nonetheless. Yes, there are a lot of actors out there, and a lot of them are A-listers, but it takes a particular role to remember your title.
Looks like we have a standoff.
I know the feeling well. It's been burning in my beaver since the... It's been burning in my beaver. It's been burning in my gut since the day... That's funny.
For example, Jack Black himself is known for his comedic outburst in School of Rock. While Jim Carrey has carried himself through Bruce Almighty, Liar Liar, and The Cable Guy.
I'd have got him 10.
Goodbye, Mr. Reed.
No, wait! I didn't understand.
And Jim Carrey, one could say, is the king of improv. As we can see in his bloopers specifically, there was even a time that he improv'd a line, and you can tell from his co-star's face that this wasn't in the script.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys!
Fellas.
But both of them did well with going along with it.
Ship wore buttless chaps to the bat mitzvah. Bat mitzvah.
Oh no! Oh no! They're coming in through the back door! Oh no! Oh no! Grab the children! Save the children!
I want to mention we are currently doing a giveaway. Share what you were most excited for with this project, and the best comment will win a $25 Fandango gift card where you can purchase a full movie with added bonus features. Comment down below and one winner will be chosen.
Biggest helicopter leasing event in the Western Hemisphere. You understand?
Of course, Jim Carrey isn't the only one making these funny sounds. Sometimes it's just instinct as they are trying to remember their line in their head as they are saying it, and their brain just thinks faster than the words coming out of their mouth.
Cassandra Nova, a megalomaniacal... Husk charred remains while gargling juggernauts. Wow. And you can quote me. Okay.
He was laying them buttery nuts all up in my mama, and I shot out there and I said, "What's up, Doc?"
When an actor messes up a line during a take, the key is to stay calm, maintain character, and try to recover gracefully, often with the help of other actors or a director's guidance.
I don't like it. It's gross. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I might go to another
Sometimes it works well, but other times, watching the take, you can tell when the co-star or other actors in the take are a little bit upset, as normally shooting days are very long and oftentimes in the middle of the night or freezing or hot temperatures.
I don't know what evidence.
Right on. Yes, hit me.
Next to my desk is a picture of a female politician, Bella Abzug.
Is that scary face, funny hat, gap tooth, or Bill Clinton's wife?
Funny hat.
Funny hat.
On the back of it is a key taped to it, and then that opens my bottom drawer in my desk. Get...
But who can blame them? It would appear that comedy films are harder to get through, as half the time when there is a joke made in a take or something funny happens, you're meant to not react, and it would be hard not to in certain situations.
How dare you?
It's okay if he laughs. I mean, it's funny if he laughs to me.
On the flip side, there have been times that the actors have to bounce off of each other's energy, and they are able to bounce back from almost messing up takes.
What did you want me to say, Todd? What's the line?
Ready? And.
Yeah.
You. Let's do that again. It's right up there, by the way.
And other times they themselves can't help but laugh, or they laugh after, before the actor talking does.
Marker.
Oh, I got it. It's fitting fine. Just had to put the wheels in.
On your flight, Kurt, someone fiddled with the gas bill.
All in all, it's really fun to see these actors try to string it together to get the take right, and we look forward to more moments like this in the future.
She said garble.
Garbo!
We can always appreciate imitations others do as well, just like in this moment in Ted.
Where's your bunny rabbit?
It's a bear.
It's a bear. It just makes me giggle, because I heard it like this. It's a bear. Now, I know he didn't say it this way, and I'm sure his face didn't condor, but that is how I saw it in my head.
Where's your bunny rabbit?
He's a bear.
Got it.
He's a bear.
And as far as the answer to our trivia question, although she's had fun in all the films and TV shows she's been in, Big Fat Liar was Amanda Bynes' first film she starred in that was also a Disney Channel film.
I can't believe I just looked right at you. I'm so sorry. I just gave a little double take to the camera. I can't believe Emma's still asleep.
I know. What are we going to do?
But we wanted to turn this around to you guys. What do you think about all these moments? Which one was your favorite, and who is your favorite comedic actor?
I guess what surround sound means is that, right over here, Chad. 2 speakers. Damn. We have 2 speakers. What? Honey? Oh, Jesus. This is terrible. We'll never finish this episode. Check this out. Folds.
Let us know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on for more videos just like this. That's it for today though. We'll see you all next time with a brand new video. Bye guys!